Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Today, I'm going to teach you a very advanced and useful phrasal verb, flesh out. Flesh out means to add more details to something so it becomes clear and fully developed. Imagine you're building a house. At first, you only have the foundation and the basic walls. That's like having a rough idea. When you add the windows, doors, paint, furniture, and decorations, you turn it into a beautiful, livable home. That process of adding all those extra pieces to make it complete is exactly what we mean when we say flesh out. Let's look at some examples so you understand exactly how to use it. We need to flesh out this proposal before we show it to the client. The writer fleshed out the characters to make the story more interesting. During the meeting, they helped flesh out the marketing plan with new strategies. Now, let's listen to a short story using flesh out. Alex wanted to create an online course about photography. He had a simple outline, camera basics, lighting, and editing. But it was too short and not very interesting. So, Alex decided to flesh out each section. He added practical tips, real-life examples, behind-the-scenes stories, and even bonus lessons on smartphone photography. When he finally launched the course, students loved it. They said it felt complete, detailed, and easy to follow, all because he took the time to flesh it out. Now let's see some common mistakes. Some learners think flesh out means take away details or simplify, but actually it's the opposite. Flesh out means to add details, not remove them. Also, don't confuse it with figure out, which means to find a solution. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using flesh out in the comments below. What is something in your life you want to flesh out? Maybe a plan, a story, or a project. For example, I want to flesh out my travel blog with more photos and personal stories. I'll check your sentences and give you feedback. If you enjoyed learning this advanced phrasal verb, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more natural English lessons. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you want to keep improving your vocabulary and sound more professional, check out my other phrasal verb and vocabulary videos.